Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Milo's early birthday party, so I'm gonna go get Milo. Okay guys, I just got back outside. He is so excited. Okay, I'm gonna prepare this real quick. Okay, I just got done with it. I'm gonna now give him his little puppuccino. Look, I just got him out. It's a little chilly out here. And look at him, he's probably freezing right now, but yeah. I'm gonna give him his puppuccino. He is enjoying this so much. Whoa. Okay, I'm okay. Okay, I'm gonna do a part 3 once this video ends. Okay guys, so okay guys, he's almost finished with this. Actually, he did. I did a fast forward with that, so I'll see you in part 3 as soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video, so bye.